Hey loves, in today's video, I am reviewing the Profusion Cosmetics UFO 9 Shade Palette. I will be using the UFO palette to create this bright blue and green glitter eye makeup that is out of this world. I received the Profusion UFO 9 Shade Palette as a birthday gift. While it is no longer sold in Walgreens, it is available on the Profusion website for $7. There will be a link in the description. The 9 brightly colored shadows in this palette consist of 1 shimmer and 8 mattes. Since the UFO palette does not have a matte brow bone highlight, I will be using the Wet n Wild Single Shadow in Brulee on the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader. Using the Energy 125, I am placing Planet on the inner half of my crease. Using that same brush, I am now applying Alien to the outer half of my crease, as well as blending the 2 shades together where they meet. As a base for my glitter, I am applying Outer Space to my entire lid using the Aloe E113. The Eye Envy Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in Clear is a great glitter glue. I am using a Bazic Beauty eyeshadow brush to apply it. This blue and green glitter is from the Magic Collection Glitz and Glam Hollywood palette. It also has some iridescent glitters as well as blue stars, and I thought that went well with the space theme. I am applying it with the Nicka K Beauty Play round eyeshadow brush. I decided to add some shimmer to my brow bone with the LA Colors Highlight in Shine Bright using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. For today's lash, I chose the Laflare 3D Faux Mink lashes in style 1E. Now with my Energy 111, I am placing Spaced Out on my lower lash line. I started off by applying the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Gotcha, but it applied very patchy, and when I tried to fix it, the product just fell off in clumps. So I went over it with their Pastel Dream Liner in Magic Mint, and that kind of fixed it. It still looks kind of rough, but it's okay. Now I'm using that Shine Bright highlighter on the inner corner of my eye with the BH Cosmetics V9. To complete this look, I am applying the lash glue. Then I'm going to take a star from the glitter mixture and place it on the inner corner of my eye. Here's my completed makeup look. It came out exactly how I envisioned it. I had so much fun using the Profusion UFO palette. These shadows are so vibrant and easy to work with. Check the description for all of the products that I used in today's video. Leave a comment below telling me what you think of this makeup look, and until next time, bye loves!